Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find more connectivity options. Then let's scroll to find reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth and tap on it, and tap on reset settings. Here your device is informing you that it might take several seconds and you won't be able to undo this action, so be aware about that and tap on OK. Now you need to wait until this process will be finished. We should see the information that we just successfully did it. As you can see here we've got it, so it means that we just reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.